You've cleaned your windshield 3 times this month.
Inside and out. Each time, your window cleaner leaves a slightly different streak pattern forming, but the haze comes back within 2 weeks.
At night, oncoming headlights become glare events.
The film scatters light across your field of vision.
You've assumed it's the outside. It isn't.
The film on your interior windshield is not dust, and it is not smoke. It is diisonyl phthalate tambim, a plasticizer outgassing from your dashboard vinyl. You watched it crack your dashboard in a previous video. The same molecule that left the vinyl and caused that crack is now condensing as a film on the coolest surface in your car interior, the glass.
Your window cleaner makes it worse.
Ammonia-based window cleaner, which is what most glass cleaners are called, does not dissolve ester plasticizers.
Ammonia is a polar inorganic compound. Phthalate ester is a mid-polarity organic molecule.
They don't mix.
The ammonia pushes the plasticizer film around, disperses it into streak patterns, and evaporates.
The plasticizer remains, redistributed.
Isopropyl alcohol is an amphiphilic solvent. It has both polar and nonpolar character.
It dissolves phthalate esters completely. The aviation industry recognized this in 1961, when interior cockpit glass in aircraft was specified to be cleaned with IPA. Ammonia degrades acrylic cockpit panels. IPA doesn't. And it dissolves the film completely.
Single-use bottle, $0.97.
The detailer charges $89 for professional interior glass treatment town, which is IPA in a branded spray bottle. Detailer interior glass treatment, $89.
At detailer cost, isopropyl alcohol, commercial supply pricing, $0.23 per application at 70% concentration.
Labor, 12 minutes, $3.80.
Shop consumables, McCann, $1.50. Total cost to deliver, $5.53. What they charge, $89.
Margin, 1,510% on isopropyl alcohol.
The same compound in the drugstore for 97 cents per bottle that treats your windshield 47 times.
The branded professional interior glass treatment contains isopropyl alcohol at 65 to 70%, distilled water, and a fragrance.
The active ingredient, IPA. The function, dissolving phthalate ester plasticizer film.
The cost of the active ingredient at retail, $0.97 for a generic IPA bottle. Here is the surface chemistry Tom, and this is solvent polarity science, not car care folklore. Dashboard vinyl releases plasticizer via outgassing. Warm air from the defroster carries it upward and forward.
Vapor condenses on the coldest surface. The plasticizer film deposits on the interior glass. The film is a thin layer of diisonyl phthaleate, DINP phthaleate, at approximately 0.3 to 0.7 microns thickness. Optically, this film has a refractive index different from both glass and air, creating the scattering layer.
Solvent polarity determines what dissolves what. DINP has a Hildebrand solubility parameter of approximately 18 to 19 MP us/proc, moderately polar. Water is 47. Ammonia is 33 through, still too polar. Isopropyl alcohol is 23 chrome, close enough to DINP's parameter to achieve complete solvation. IPA dissolves the plasticizer film because their polarity parameters overlap.
There is a second mechanism. IPA evaporates rapidly HUD. Its boiling point is 82 degrees Celsius versus water's 100 degrees Celsius. As IPA evaporates from the glass surface after application, it carries the dissolved plasticizer with it. Ammonia-based glass cleaners evaporate more slowly and leave the insoluble plasticizer behind.
Stop. The 1961 specification.
In 1961, the Federal Aviation Administration issued Advisory Circular AC 43.31.
The section on aircraft interior transparency cleaning specified, use isopropyl alcohol. Ammonia-based cleaning compounds are prohibited tuned. Solvent attack on acrylic substrate causes structural degradation. Aviation maintenance technicians trained from 1961 onward knew that IPA produced optically perfect interior glass results.
The detailing industry adopted IPA into their toolkit and then packaged it with fragrance at 15,300% markup. The two-cloth method, here the technique that produces perfect results, Baltz, is also not on the IPA bottle.
Apply IPA to the first cloth, for not to the glass directly. Wipe the glass firmly in overlapping strokes.
This cloth picks up the dissolved plasticizer. Here is the critical step. Before the IPA fully evaporates, within 5 seconds too, use a second, clean, dry microfiber cloth to buff the glass. The second cloth removes the IPA plasticizer solution before it can redeposit. IPA is not effective for tobacco smoke resin film. If the haze is yellow-brown chown, it's smoke. Use purple power or similar alkaline degreaser before IPA. If haze returns with I'm a week, apply UV protectant to the dashboard to slow outgassing.
1 bottle. 2 cloths. 8 minutes.
Step 1. Prepare 2 microfiber cloths. 1 damp with IPA, 1 dry and clean.
Step 2. Wipe in overlapping strokes. Apply moderate pressure.
Step 3. Second cloth within 5 seconds. Move through sections in pairs.
Step 4. Inspect in low-angle light. The beam will reveal any remaining film.
Wipe the A-pillars and defroster vent surrounds with IPA as well. Total cost, $0.97 for enough for 47 interior glass treatments. Tonight, wipe your interior windshield with your hand to found. Feel the slight tackiness of the plasticizer film. Every person who uses the 2-cloth IPA protocol tonight is 1 fewer interior glass appointment. Next video, your check engine light shows P0420. The dealer says $3,000. The fix costs $3.